Chrysler push button start Keyfob battery change. Okay, start by pressing this tab, pulling the mechanical key out, put those over there. So there's a seam, and there's a little spot right here that you can use to gently pry. So put that in just a little bit, give your screwdriver a twist, and this starts to come apart. Okay, now you can see both halves. Here's your battery right here. I've already replaced it in this one. This is CR2032. You use a screwdriver on the edge of this battery just to lift it up a little bit. And just lift it up like that if you need to. So once you take it out, get your new one back in, you want to put it in at an angle against those first. Otherwise, it won't go in properly. Okay, so it fits against those first. Now it's just a matter of putting this back on, like so. Pressing firmly. There we go. So once that seam is tight again like that, then it's all back together now. So now you can just slide the mechanical key back in. That's it. You're in business.